Hello everyone, we are here today at the Swan Reserve to do a full room tour of a traditional room. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
We really like the new Swan Reserve here. The rooms are obviously a lot more updated than the Swan and Dolphin because it is a brand new hotel, and we cannot wait to show you the room.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, over on the left we have a full-length mirror, and then to the right we have our bathroom area. We do have a sliding barn door for the bathroom door here, but it does not have that soft close feature, so you have to be careful closing that. It does have a lock though. There's one right here on the back side of the door. You flip that latch and it does lock the bathroom. Here in the bathroom we have a single vanity with a decent amount of counter space. Up here you'll see we have a makeup mirror, we have some toiletries there, some tissues, and then down below a little bit of storage space where you'll find your hair dryer as well as your towels. We've got the regular mirror there on the wall with a couple lights, and then over in the corner our toilet and this piece of art that I'm honestly just kind of confused by, because there's people that look like they're swimming but they're in a tree, so I really don't understand art, I guess. Then we have our shower over here on the other half of the bathroom, and this is a pretty good size walk-in shower. You can see lots of space in there. And then we have two shower heads, the detachable shower head on the wall, and then the rainfall style shower head up top. So a really nice shower here in this bathroom. And then heading out into the main part of the room, we have our closet over here on the right. And in this closet is where you're gonna find your iron and ironing board. You also have a couple robes hanging in there. There's an extra pillow and blanket. You have some hanging space for your clothes, as well as the luggage rack down there on the bottom. Now in the main part of the room you can see we have two queen-sized beds, and these beds are raised up off the ground with a little bit of space underneath. You can see there for storage. You can fit a good sized suitcase on each side of the bed, so you can fit 4 suitcases roughly underneath the bed for storage there. And then across from the beds we have our connecting door to the room next door and our coffee maker. We do have a single serve K-cup coffee maker here, and you have some free bottles of water there next to the coffee maker as well. Down below the coffee station we have some outlets. We have 2 wall outlets, some USB and USB-C, and then we have our ice bucket with some cups and a little bit of storage with that drawer down there. The dresser here has several different drawers and cabinets on it. The first one is where you're going to find your mini fridge. Now there is no freezer section on this mini fridge. However, it is pretty cold. You can see there's some ice back there in the back, so can't quite freeze anything, but it does stay very, very cold. And then the drawers right next to the mini fridge are really good size. They're really deep drawers. So you've got 2 of those stacked on top of each other. And then next to it you have one more cabinet where you'll find your in-room safe and one more drawer for storage down below that. So a decent amount of storage in here in addition to the closet. And then our TV over here is a smart TV. We have Netflix and Hulu and a couple other things integrated into the TV. You can log into your account and watch whatever you have access to using that smart TV, which is pretty cool. Behind me here in between the beds, we have our nightstand. On the nightstand there is a lamp and then a drawer that you can have a little bit more storage space there. We've got some outlets back behind the lamp, a wall outlet, some USB and USB-C, and then we have our alarm clock that also has 2 USB outlets on it. And the last thing in the room here, we have our desk area right over here. We've got the chair and the lamp. The lamp does have a USB and USB-C outlet built into it, and there's also a wall outlet here that has 2 USBs built into that. We've got a decent view here in this room. It is just a traditional room, no special view of Epcot or Hollywood Studios or anything. So we've got the Swan and Dolphin across the street and the street view from here. We may be able to see just a little bit of the fireworks from Epcot breaking the treetops, but probably not much of a view from here on this floor because it is only the 4th floor. And that's going to conclude our tour of this traditional room with 2 queen beds here at the Swan Reserve.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours around the Walt Disney World resorts, including Swan and Dolphin here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel while you're there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.